Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You have admin access and your site ready. Now jump straight into Gohighlevel. First, open Sites from the dashboard and pick the site or funnel where the chat will live. Once selected, choose Tracking Code or Custom JS Insertion so the widget can load globally. Make sure you copy the widget ID or script snippet from the chat setup area. This links the visual chat to your GHL account. After inserting, save and publish the page so the next steps can detect the live environment. Now create the widget inside Gohighlevel's chat widget area and walk through options. Set initial greeting, choose automatic or manual routing, and pick branding colors that match your site. You'll assign agents or forward to email/SMS for missed chats and define offline behavior so users aren't left hanging. Once configuration is complete, generate the script snippet. Copy that exact script. It contains your widget ID. Make sure to place it in the global header or site-wide scripts so it loads. Finish by publishing the site and testing the chat on multiple devices. Confirm messages route to the assigned agents and that offline forms submit correctly. If the widget doesn't appear, open the browser console to check for script errors and ensure the widget script loads without blocked mixed content. Once done, clear CDN and browser caches and republish. Make sure the script is in the header or global script manager rather than inside restricted page builders. With these steps, your chat should be live and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.